In today's video, we are going to look at the top 5 best soldering stations available on the market. We researched the web and read lots of real user reviews before creating the soldering stations list. If you want more information and updated pricing on the soldering stations mentioned, be sure to check the description link. Subscribe to our channel and press the bell button for more informative videos. Number 5. SUGON 8630 Pro Hot Air Station. The SUGON 8630 Pro is a powerhouse with a 1300W hot air gun and a digital display for accurate temperature readings ranging from 100 degrees Celsius to 500 degrees Celsius. Its curved nozzle ensures even airflow and effective BGA rework. With 200 liters per minute max airflow, it can handle demanding desoldering and repair tasks with ease. The CE, FCC, and WEE certifications ensure quality and safety. Ideal for professional repair shops and serious DIYers, this station brings industrial-level power to your bench. Number 4. GEEBOON TC22 Soldering Station. The GEEBOON TC22 stands out with its color curve display and compatibility with 115/210/245/T12 tips, offering flexibility for a wide range of soldering needs. Designed for precision, the TC22 is a great fit for PCB work, prototyping, or fine-pitch components. It supports fast temperature recovery and offers a smooth user experience with modern touch controls. Perfect for engineers and hobbyists looking for a digital and customizable soldering station with pro-grade performance. Number 3. JCD 8898 Soldering Station. The JCD 8898 combines a 750W hot air gun and an 80W soldering iron in a single efficient setup, making it ideal for BGA, SMD, and general electronics repair. It offers precise temperature control from 180 degrees Celsius to 500 degrees Celsius, and fast heating for quick, accurate repairs. Certified by CE, it includes multiple nozzles and accessories for versatility. This model is a go-to choice for anyone seeking a reliable and affordable 2-in-1 soldering and rework station for both hobby and pro use. Number 2. Silverflo 8586D2 Station. The Silverflo 8586D2 is a 2-in-1 soldering station featuring both a hot air gun and soldering iron with dual digital displays for accurate temperature monitoring. Its 10-minute sleep mode preserves energy and prolongs tool life. Ideal for SMD rework and fine electronics, the CE and FCC certified unit delivers safe and steady heat. Whether you're a DIY enthusiast or a repair technician, the Silverflo 8586D provides excellent value and functionality in one compact package. Number 1. YIHUA 982 Soldering Station. The YIHUA 982 is a high-performance soldering station that supports C210 soldering iron handles, making it a favorite for electronics hobbyists and professionals. With rapid heat-up and precise temperature control, it ensures efficient and stable soldering for delicate PCB and SMD work. Certified with CE, FCC, and UL, it's built with user safety in mind. Whether you're repairing smartphones or building circuits, this unit offers reliability, customization, and power in a compact design.